Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Pat Trading Partners along with Bob Iacino. Before we get to the regular hours price action, after hours, Tesla announced a 5-for-1 stock split and rallied after news. After hours data on it, and using after hours data, we were looking for a target for this. We had a double bottom right here, which gave us a target of 1471, trading above that right now. Just wanted to point out how you can use that even with the after hours data. Let's delete this now and go back to the regular hours data. So we know it's trading about we'll just call it about 1475 right now. Let me go back to the regular hours data. So dipping down here again, just above our critical 1363 level. And now we know what happened afterwards. We're trading right back in the consolidation range. So we're back above the 1415 significant level. We're back above the 1 hour rotation zone. Let's check a 4 hour rotation zone. Looks like we're back above the 4 hour rotation zone, but I'm really going to be watching where we trade tomorrow on the open. If we continue to rally, next major level is about 1496 to 1500. It's the next area I'd be watching, and that would take it back to neutral on the 4 hour if we run all the way up there, because we're back above the rotation zone. It would take us back to, we did not get the first cross on the daily. Let's see, 14, we're trading right here. So overall, you can watch that right about that 1500, because that's where this declining trend line is going to come in, or triangle line, whichever one you're following. But this is how we actually do path trading trend lines: initiating point, defining point. If you need to know about those, we have a series of videos up there on the YouTube, so you can learn that for free. So back here, so key support, I'm just going off where it's trading after hours now. Key support's coming in at 1415, key resistance 1450. Forget about 1450, 1556, and then 1614 are the next levels up. If we drop back down and get below 1415, 1365, and then 1315 and 1262, but I'd really be focusing on about 1281. That's sort of 50-day exponential. It did drop down to nearly oversold condition. That just puts us back in the consolidation, and we'll have to see how we have the immediate gut reaction after hours when it's more thinly traded. We'll have to see once everything's digested and how it opens and trades in the morning. Just be aware, don't know exactly what date the stock split is, but they did announce it, so we'll have to look up what date it will take place. So if you're on Tesla, we'll talk to everyone later. Bye for now.